Hi, I'm Jamie.
And I'm Meredith, and we're with Coastal Business Supplies. And we're going to show you our Jet Opaque 2, or as we like to call it, our Jet Dark.
Stay tuned. And we're back. So today in this video, we are going to be working with our Jet Opaque 2 paper. So let's get started.
Okay, we did use our Epson Workforce, which is a pigment dye printer, to print this. And you can do one of two things. You can either cut this with the cutter or you can cut it with scissors to avoid this white border. So I'm going to go ahead and just cut this one with scissors. I'm going to use the weeding tool to pull it off of the carrier sheet. And then we're going to lay it flat on the shirt.
Perfect, thank you. Okay, so we have pre-pressed our garment previously today, but I'm going to also fold our garment in half so it's easier to find our middle point of our shirt. So you just lay on the press. And then just press for just a few seconds to get that seam in there.
I'm also going to crease the transfer so we can find the center mark, and then that way we can just line it up and then we know that it's centered.
Thank you. Okay, and then I am going to cover with a piece of silicone today to protect our top platen. And we are pressing at 350 degrees for 30 seconds at a heavy pressure. Okay, and we are going to remove our silicone immediately. Just in a smooth manner, just in case it lifts. We're going to let it just set aside for a second to let it cool. And there you go. You now have one personalized garment.
To increase the washability, make sure you wash it inside out, cold water, and no fabric softener.
And there you go. So thank you for watching our video tutorial, and don't forget to check out our instructions online at coastalbusiness.com, and we'll see you next time.